Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing this look for you guys on camera. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube, and I keep telling myself that I'm gonna stick with it this time and keep with it and stay consistent, because I know that that's the biggest part of this, but my life gets so crazy and I just fall off, and sometimes I don't stay as creative as I wish I could so I could film all these videos for you, but I'm gonna try. We're gonna see what happens. Of course I'll lose my train of thought because my phone interrupts me. What was I about to say? Oh, I was about to tell you guys not to come for me about this hair. It is wash day and I didn't plan on filming. I didn't plan on doing anything because my hair's not colored. It's not washed. It's not anything. So take it as you wish. Do not come for me. Don't be talking trash behind my back about my hair, okay? Because I know your hair be looking like this if you're just sitting at home all day. Don't play. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. Alright guys, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to prep our face. So I'm going to take the MAC Prep and Prime. Sometimes I prep with my MAC Fix Plus. But I've really been liking this primer. I think it works really well. Disregard my thumb. I slammed it in a car door, and yeah, it's just been absolutely horrible since then. I'm gonna take the Matte Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This is in the shade Nude Beige. Put this on the back of my hand. I actually have been liking a like a less covered look, so I'm actually only gonna take this much, just like this tiny little bit. Trying to just let my skin breathe and not wear such full coverage foundation, because I am a full coverage girl. Just like if you just put this matte and poreless on, if you put a ton on, it really is full coverage. Actually, I'm gonna put just a tiny bit more, because I'm like breaking out right here. I don't know what it is. We've got a lot of snow here in Tennessee. The past, like, well, I guess since December, we've gotten more snow than normal. Not like actually a ton of snow. When I was in Alaska, we got like quit honking your horn, sir. Make my dogs go crazy. And so it's really drying up my skin. I feel like I'm back in Alaska with the dry skin. Alright, now I'm going to go in with some concealer. I'm going to use the Bright Future Gel Serum in the color Mustard. Did my necklace just come undone? I'm just a mess, guys. Like, this is real life right now. I'm just a mess, guys. Anyway, this is in the shade Custard. Even though I don't go too ham with my foundation, please do not think I'm playing when I go in with this concealer, because Mama has the worst under eyes. So I'm really trying to let my skin shine through, but let me just pile on all the concealer. You hear my little pigs? They're so cute. I love them. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Airspun loose powder, and I'm actually gonna do something that I learned from Jaclyn Hill. Of course, I feel like we all learn everything from Jaclyn Hill. Like, everybody and their mom follows her baking, but baking her whole face. So I'm gonna bake some powder on Beauty Blender. actually powders her whole like face with her beauty blender. Like she has powder on her beauty blender, and I've actually been using it and it works really well. Even though I have kind of oily skin, sometimes I feel like because I do have large pores, the powder kind of sits in my lines, especially like right in here. They just sit, and like where my pores are, they just really enhance. So this has been helping with that. So shout out to Jaclyn Hill because she's the real MVP. So then I'm just gonna wipe it away with my Morphe E49 brush. I'm actually gonna use some of that excess powder to go over top and set with the WetNWild Ticket to Brazil. As you can see, this is well loved. And I'm going in with the Morphe MB3, whatever that is. I'm just gonna bronze my whole face. This also kind of like brings out my freckles. So I actually wear the bronzer because it's just a very light bronzer, so it's not like I'm not gonna look like I just came back from the Bahamas, but it does give a little bit of something to my face. Go in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. I take that. Where's my blush brush? Don't be playing. Where's my blush brush? Oh, here it is. This is the Luxe 514 blush brush. I'm just gonna my Morphe M310, and I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome. I just dug my finger in that. Molten Gold. This has been well loved as well. For some reason, this is the order I always typically do, is I do my whole face first, and then I go in and do brows and all that good stuff. I don't know why I do it. I feel like that's kind of backwards, but whatever. I don't even care. 1-3. I'm actually going to use nothing to do with this brush, just the spoolie. And I go in with the Maybelline Brow Define Fill and Duo. This is the fat one, like where the eyeshadow is on the end and you've got the little pencil. I actually don't care for the shadow. I feel like it gets everywhere. But I do like this pencil. I feel like it's a really good drugstore pencil. I always talk about this in my videos, but I love the Anastasia Brow Wiz, or the Brow Definer. But I just go through so much brow stuff that I just don't feel like paying $25 every week and a half because I go through this much brow stuff. For myself personally, maybe for my clients I like to use that, but for me personally. Alright, then I go in and I just brush through them so they look a little bit more natural. I'm so proud of my brows right now. Like, you have no idea. I let them know every single day how proud I am of them. If you've ever tried to grow out your brows, you know what I'm talking about. I recently got the ColourPop Take Me Home Shadow with Issues. I really hope that that's right and I'm not just like telling you all wrong. Skone blending brush, and we're gonna take the shade, God, what is this shade? Sidetracked. Guys, I really hope that I'm getting these right. Again, light pressure. We're going with like circular and windshield wiper motions back and forth, and just working that color up a little bit. Like I said, I have really big eyelids, so I gotta kind of take it up a little higher than most. gonna go in with that same shade, Sidetracked, but I'm gonna take a smaller brush. You see how this one's a little bit more compressed and this one's more fluffy? This is gonna pack a little bit more pigment, just so that we can continue to keep blending. Is going to be French Kiss, I think. And I'm going in with the M433. Okay, so now we've got the basic. I'm gonna go in with that M441 brush again. And then I'm actually gonna go back in with that Firma 201 brush. I'm going to go in with this Luxe 22 flat definer brush. I'm going to take that shimmery shade to just highlight the brow bone right there. So I was going to go in with the Dream Street palette and use one of her absolutely stunning colors in this, but I'm not. I'm going to save that for the swatch video. My Crown C464 brush, I use this for everything. And I'm actually going to go in with some Fix Plus. I'm going to take, you see what I mean, guys? Like, they're on the back, and it's like issues would be this one. But if you go from this one, it'd be French Kiss. So see, I don't know. So then I'm going to spritz some Fix Plus on it. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. This is a really true yellow gold. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back in with my M433 and I think French Kiss. I don't know, it could be something completely different. And I'm just gonna kind of blend onto what I just put on, just a This is the Dose of Colors Katy times Desi collection. Mine is a wreck. I use it all the time. Now some of these are supposed to be formulated for to be used with your finger. Some of them are supposed to be formulated to use wet. I can't ever keep up with that because I don't know where that paper is that told me, and I never have time in the morning to look it up. So it's probably why my palette looks like this. So I'm gonna take it on my brush, spray Fix Plus on it. Oh, God, I can't speak because some of them are supposed to be used wet. I just can't remember which ones, and they're all supposed to be used with your finger or better used with your finger, but we're just gonna not follow the rules. With my NYX Black Kohl Liner. Small definer brush that I was using. I'm going to dip back into French Kiss. And I'm just going to go right over what I just did. This is so it stays smoky. Oh, luscious mascara. Sarah E. collab with ColourPop, and this is in the color 951. Oh my god, I love this. This is giving me like kind of like 90s vibes. I feel like I should have done Beeper, which is close to this color, and put the curvy gloss on top, because this is a satin lip, ultra satin lip, I think is what it said. Yeah, Mamacita at this collection is the one that's the matte lip. That'd have been beautiful too. But I wanted to use this gloss, and I don't feel like it's gonna dry down. You know, screw it. Let's use the gloss. This is curvy. This is the ultra glossy lips. Let's see, just so we can get a feel. Yes, honey. I think we've completed the look. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me some comments down below. I would love interacting with you guys. I think a lot of my clients follow me now on social media, so they probably already know how crazy I am. And so I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.